If you're stuck at that crossroads, trying to decide between manufacturing in the US or overseas, you're not alone. And honestly, the right answer usually isn't obvious. It's not about picking a side. It's about what makes sense for your product, your volumes, and your goals. Here's the truth. Choosing US versus overseas is one of the highest impact decisions you'll make as an inventor or entrepreneur. And if you pick by default, like always US for protection or always overseas for cost, you can leave a lot of value on the table. US manufacturing does come with real advantages. You typically get stronger IP protection, shorter lead times, easier on-site quality checks, and communication that's just faster and clearer when everyone's in the same time zone. And yes, that Made in America label can matter. For the right audience, it can strengthen your brand and support premium pricing. But we also have to be realistic about the trade-offs. US production usually costs more per unit, especially as volume climbs. And not every product category is a great fit for domestic suppliers. If you're doing certain consumer electronics or high-volume soft goods, overseas supply chains often have the depth, tooling ecosystem, and scale that's hard to match in the US. So what do a lot of successful teams do? They use a hybrid approach. They prototype and iterate in the US first, where speed, oversight, and learning cycles really matter. Then once the design is stable and you're ready to scale, they move some or all production overseas to bring unit costs down. That way you get the best of both worlds: early control, protection, and flexibility. Then cost efficiency when growth starts to demand it. At Rabbit Product Design, that's exactly how we approach projects. We don't push a default answer. We match the manufacturing strategy to your product, your brand, your IP risk, and what your operations can realistically support. Our senior engineering team has decades of experience, with over 2,000 products launched, and we keep the whole process connected, from research and design, to sourcing, to launch support. If I were in your position, I'd treat manufacturing location as a real decision, not a reflex. Because a deliberate, informed choice is what gives you the best shot at a strong outcome. If you want to dig deeper, click the link below and take a look. And if this was helpful, subscribe, like, and ring the bell.